Are you tired of spending $5 on a wimpy bag of kale at the grocery store, only for it to wilt in your fridge 2 days later? It's a money grab and you can stop buying this forever. Today I'm going to show you how to easily grow your own kale right at home, so you'll have a fresh, endless supply for pennies.
Hey ELOC Nation, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm the OCD-ish chick.
The truth is, growing kale at home is one of the easiest, most cost-effective things you can do in your garden. Let's get started planting. The first step to successfully growing kale is location and timing. Kale thrives in cooler weather. But can handle some heat if you give it some partial shade. Kale makes a wonderful salad, soup, stews, stir fries, and even smoothies. Also great sauteed. I'm adding compost to the existing soil. Compost contains organic nutrients essential for plant growth.
Boosting the nutrients in the soil. Just mix it in well. You can absolutely direct sow in the beds. However, today I'll be sowing my seeds in this grow bag and transplanting later. I'm going to go ahead and add a little water so that when I plant my seeds, they aren't relocated. This will help those seeds to stick right in place.
Pro tip, follow the directions on the back of your seed packet for planting depth. If seeds are planted too deeply, they may not germinate.
Okay, just going to set it in place. We're going to add just a little more water. We've already pre-moistened this soil, so it doesn't really need much more.
Kale is pretty resilient, but consistent watering until germination is key.
We want to see the water leaking from the bottom. Perfect.
After germination, water regularly to maintain evenly moist soil. A simple homemade spray can deter most common kale pests like aphids. This is a game changer for keeping pests away naturally. This is the best part. To ensure you have kale all season long, don't chop off the whole plant. Harvest the larger outer leaves first and leave the center leaves intact. This encourages new growth, giving you a continuous supply.
Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe make the sun say check.
Now you can stop spending money on overpriced, store-bought greens. Are you ready to start your own kale patch and enjoy fresh greens whenever you want? Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I read every one of them. Arrange in a single layer. Do not overlap. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, checking frequently. They're ready when they're crispy and slightly browned at the edges. The chips are ready. You hear that? They're super crispy. Okay, my husband is watching the game, but they are so crispy. Listen to that. Oh my gosh. So good. It's seasoned perfectly. Listen to that. I'm gonna eat this whole doggone pan by myself. Look, anybody looking? So good. Try these, try these. Try the kale chips. Give them a try, give them a try. All right, y'all, bye. I hope you found these practical gardening tips helpful. See you in the next video.
Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time.
If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.